Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a really fun chilled video, me just showing you guys art supplies I bought, craft supplies I bought, and all other things like that. Before we get into the video, hi, my name is Tina and welcome to my channel. Over here on my channel, I test hair DIYs, I do craft videos, and I'm recently getting into sewing. So I would like for you guys to please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends so that my channel can grow and become a big family over here. I got a lot of stuff, almost worth 100k, because I remember I went like in 2 sections to the market, and pretty much because I have like this thing is quite heavy. I have like 2 trash bags of stuff. Like this is just one of it. So I hope that I will be able to make this video fun and lively enough for you guys. Okay, so first thing I'm going to show you guys is this tap, aka tarpaulin, and I got it for as a work surface for my table. I'm currently using the white one which I got yesterday, so you'll be seeing a lot of blue and white in my videos depending on what craft it is and what exactly I am doing. The second supply I got is this kind of very stiff leather, like very stiff leather. I'm going to try and make a bag. I have never made a bag before, but I'm going to try and make one, and I hope that it turns out okay. Ta-da! I got some paint brushes to paint and also to use as a precision glue brush. I initially wanted to get makeup brushes for that, then I saw this one and it was almost the same price range, so I bought this. Next thing out of my bag is also some leather fabric, but I have this in a very glossy white finish, and then I have some cardboard, aka interfacing. I don't know if that's the name, but it's basically to add stability into your bags. You see these bags that are very structured, that are like stiff, minus using the stiff leather I got. You can also use this as interfacing in the bags. So I got, I don't know if this is a roll or what. Also this is for like shoes, if you want like that hard layer in shoes, so it's like a 2-in-1 thing. Moving on, for some back crafts, I got some of this. I don't know what the name is called, but I know they use, because I watch a lot of videos. So it's like cotton soft thingy, where you see like the Chanel bag, how they do that crisscross thing, or in other bags, even the Gucci bag, how they do that line thing. This is exactly what they put under the leather and in between the lining of the bag, so that they can sew the lines across, and it's going to pick up and it's going to be soft. So this, I got 2 meters of that one. I got this thingy, it's lining, but this one has a much more softer feel to like the polyester lining, because polyester lining is the cheapest. Is it really the, yeah, it's the cheapest, because this one was 1,500 francs for a meter, and I got 2 meters for 3,000 francs. Also got some different lining. I got this one because this one is actually way softer than this one. This one's like a cotton lining, and I got it so that I could use in shorts or in like gowns that are going to be hugging my body closely, because it's really soft. Like when you feel it, it's actually very soft. So I don't want like a very stiff thing touching my bum when I am wearing it. Moving on, I got some straw fabric. It's not straw fabric. I got some straw something. I don't know what this something is, but basically straw bags are really trendy right now. I really tried not to buy like a straw bag or straw something. I was just like, I will wait it out till the trend passes. But the other day I found myself looking at straw bag, and it was 15,000 francs, and why I could get this thing at 2,000 francs a piece and make mine is going to be much more cheaper plus fun, because I actually like DIY stuff. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and get 2 of these, and that's 4,000 francs per for the 2 of them, and I could make many, not really many, but I could make a bag, a very big bag, bigger than the one I saw, and I will still be in budget. Craft hammer. I actually did have a craft hammer, but I think somebody borrowed it in my neighborhood and the person never brought it back, which is kind of annoying and sad at the same time. But yeah, so basically I have a craft hammer and I got it for 1,500 francs. The next thing I'm going to show you is these, I don't know what these things are called, but it's like straps for fanny packs or handbag handles. I'm thinking of making a very big tote bag, and I think this is the only lazy and aesthetically pleasing handle you can get if you want to do something, a project that lazy. So I end up getting one for myself. And yeah, so if in case I use any video, I'm going to link all of the videos down below in my description box. And again, I got some hoop earrings for a certain DIY project, which I'm really excited for. I got a big size and I got a smaller size. I do pray that they work though, because the guy in the market was just trying to convince me that this is the proper size, but I wasn't so sure and I didn't go there with a reference. Pro tip: when you're going to shop or do something, you should go there with a reference, so that when you buy, you're not going to be second guessing yourself. You just go and get exactly what you need. So I ended up getting a dozen, but like 2 different sizes. Again, I got some these. Usually when I'm doing crafts where I need to bind things together or wait for them to dry, I used to use Bulldog Clips. And don't like, get me wrong, Bulldog Clips are great, but they're really expensive, especially the bigger sizes. So I found this one in the market and I'm going to use this in place of Bulldog Clips. So I got one set like this for 500 francs. So 2 of them makes it 1,000. This next one is the sole of a shoe. The other day on Twitter, somebody posted mules. I think everybody should know what mules are, but somebody posted some Gucci mules and the person was selling, and then I jokingly asked if people wanted to see me recreate it, and a lot of people replied. So there are thousands of videos like that on YouTube, so I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and put my own twist on it. I got this other kind which has a bit of a heel, which I hate because I used to call it like grandma heel, but right now I really don't mind. So I got this in a bigger size. I got this in size 41 because this was the biggest they had, and then I got this in a size 42. Okay, so I honestly couldn't wait till I got to this part, but drum rolls, I got spray paint. So I got spray paint in this very pretty, it's like bubblegum pink, but they say yeah that it's peach red. So I got in red, I got in purple, I got in orange, I got in blue, I got in white. Oh wait, oh yeah, I got in transparent. I'm going to use this as the sealant on whatever project I use it on. I got in red, I got in ivory, and I got in green. So that's basically 4. What am I saying? That's 8. And I got one for 4,000 francs. I know that people are going to roast me, but honestly I like spray paint, and spray paint is a very easy thing to do when you're using DIYs. I already have a lot of projects in mind for them. I just wanted to get some color, because all the time you want to use spray paint for something, it always ends up being gold or silver, and I just wanted to add a little bit of color to the mix. So I got this bunch of colors and I am pretty excited. You can tell that I'm really excited. But I got this owl, I don't know what this thing's called, but it's a needle for sewing shoes. I am going to do, okay wait, you can see it here. It's a needle for sewing shoes, and it's quite sharp. Jesus Christ, what just happened? So, and then I got this polish because it was blue. I have seen the white, the red, the brown, the neutral of these, but as soon as I saw the blue, I didn't even have any blue shoe. Again, like I said, I am just a crazy person who likes to buy stuff I don't need. I bought it because you never know when you're going to need blue nail polish in the middle of a DIY, when you're DIYing stuff at night. And then I got blue twine because I will be making a something bag. So I got this to match the bag. Okay, so I got glitter glue gun sticks. So this is like glue gun sticks but with glitter, and it comes in I think there are 12 pieces and 6 different colors. I don't know, it's actually quite interesting. Again, this is one of those things where I just bought for the sake of buying, because you never know again when you might need glitter glue gun. So here is what I got. I got this one, uhu glue, and this is like a very special all-purpose adhesive. I use it as my fabric glue because it doesn't wash off easily, and it's quite durable and it's sustainable. So I got this one. And then in the spirit of shoemaking and all that blah blah blah, I got this, and this is basically like the heel of shoes. Wait, let me see, I'm wearing shoes right now. Okay, so this thing is this half, or this thingy, so that's what this thing is for. And I was buying it because I felt like if I had to do my sole from scratch, maybe I will have to get this. I also to just like change some of my shoes, because that part of some of my shoes where it's quite rocky. We live by the mountain, there are a lot of stones. If you go to places like Dirty South, there are a lot of people who stay in Dirty South, and like every time I leave school and I have to see a friend at Dirty South, my shoes never stay the same. Like my shoes have like they die 1,000 deaths just going to the house, and then you have to come back, and then sometimes you have to go back and forth. So that style is quite rocky and it has ruined a lot of my soles. So I actually got this to replace some of them, and this thing was 2,000 francs. It is really stiff, like you cannot even bend it. Here with me is I shouldn't put this thing too close to my nose. Here with me is fabric dye. You know how people abroad have reed dye, where they just purchase the reed dye and then they say add whatever thing to it, shake and use. But I have searched for dye high and low, and believe me, it took me 2 months to find out where to get dye. I even asked like this lady Annie Asongani, because she's really pretty popular. She has a clothing brand. So I asked her and she didn't know where to get it from. So I had to go to the market and ask people who do tie-dye, and then the description was really long. So I don't know what this is, but I think it's some sort of chemical. And then I got blue, I got shiny blue, I got green. I just got a bunch of colors, and this tiny patch here like this is 1,000 francs, and you can use it 2 times if you're not doing something that is like quite consuming or what. I don't even know how to explain it, but in case I do figure out how to do that, because my mom wants to teach me, but then she's out of town now, and the whole video calling process and learning something, it actually helps, but this one is quite difficult. If this video is very long, I'm very sorry, my dears. Also, don't forget to watch my ads, because from now on I had to start buying stuff like this. So if you want to see me excel more creatively, then support a sister. All right, so I'm going to just show you guys. I got these chains. I got like bling. Let me see if this thing is going to work as a necklace. Yeah, it actually works as a necklace. Yo, what's up? I'm a rapper. So I got, I think 4 or 3 meters of these, and a meter is 2,000 francs. Again, I want to recreate a certain popular bag, so I needed these, and I just decided to get them in bulk, because where I initially used to get them, a meter was 3,000 francs. Was it even a meter? I don't know how that girl sold it, but like just some part of it like this was 3,000 francs. And I remember I got the black and the silver version of that, so when I saw this I was pretty excited. Got these gold, these round things I got in gold and silver. These ones are like the very big size and they're quite heavy. I actually wanted a size smaller than this, but the guy didn't have, and I was afraid that I wasn't going to see, because the market is very confusing. I went to 6 markets for all of these things. So I just, like, when you're going, you buy as you go, because you may not come back and you may not see what you're looking for. So if you see something that is vaguely similar, you buy and then you figure out how to use it in your DIY. So I got these ones in gold and silver. I always try to buy my things in gold and silver, because at the end of the day, you never know what you're going to use it for. And also I may just resell it, because it's not like I'll be making 20,000 bags. I'm not a bag maker. I just like to buy things so that if you're stranded, you're not going to be like super stranded. So I think he was selling one for 100 francs. I bought 2 pieces each. Sorry, I bought 10 pieces each. 10 gold, 10 silver, and then I have like the smaller size of the gold chains. And then in the spirit of, like I said, I always buy things in twos, I also got the silver of these. I got one for 800 francs. I got 4 in total. Please, you will do the maths. I'm not really into maths. Also, I got D rings, because D rings are literally the best. I do have D rings, but they are much more smaller. And like I said again, I recently found this market where it's mainly for hardware parts. The other markets were like, they will sell these but in like small sachets, and I think that's where I got it, because the D rings I have are quite small. So there's that. I got a square rings. Let me see if I can show you correctly. I got square rings. I got some appliques. You cannot really see it. Like I said, I'm going to do a video. I got some beads. I got some sequins, some of the Gucci emblem, whatever this thing is called. So I got 10 of it. Like I said, I buy things in 10s or 5s. And then I got some more rings. Ouch, no. I got some more rings, and in generally more stuff. I got the Chanel logo thing. I just got a bunch of stuff, so I'm going to just do a voiceover for that part, because I cannot show you like this. Is quite distracting. So that's basically. I also got a lot of denim from this market where bag people shop, and it was kind of humiliating, because when you're there, they'll be like, fine girl, you did buy thing for here too. It was just weird, but again, it was in Douala. Nobody really knows me. If I buy stuff from like weird places, it's not like you're going to be like, oh, I know this girl. But so that's it, guys. So I've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed every single piece I got. I know that this video is quite long, but again, I'm sorry, because I don't know how to do videos like short, like maybe just come and do 2 thrift items, or just show you guys 2 things. I will understand that maybe some of you guys are like longer videos like this, but for those of you who watch the videos, thank you very much. And that's basically it. So if you have reached the end of this video, you might as well subscribe, because I think I was interesting enough for you to reach this end. So please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment down below. I like when you guys comment so that I can interact with you guys. So please leave a comment down below. And as always, I love you guys, my subscribers. And don't forget to follow my Instagram or my Twitter or my Snapchat. All of my other social media is going to be linked down below. If you have any queries, or if you have any doubts, questions you want to ask me, I am online 24/7. So please go ahead and follow me and ask me questions, and I'll reply you. Thank you very much. I love you guys. Till the next video. Bye.